What's poppin', family? Welcome to another episode of the Zen RSA. If this is your first time, in this show we explore and tour the most comfortable, the most luxurious, and the most affordable student accommodations that we could find in and around South Africa. In today's episode, we are in Port Elizabeth, in Somersrand specifically, and in Gqeberha Avenue to be precisely. So don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share this with your family, your friends, and grow the community, because this is the show for you as much as it is for us. You can leave a comment and tell us what we can improve on our side so that we can provide this content at a much better deliverance to you as the part of the family. You can also invite us to your accommodation and tell us about it, and we will hit you up, and precisely we will try to make efforts to come to your place and show the world what your place has in offer. So leave a comment, tell us about your place, and we might come to your place. In today's episode, we tour one of the most beautiful houses here that we could find here and go at Gqeberha Avenue. This house has 6 rooms, each 2 sharing, so there is no top up. It's a female only accommodation in which it is available for booking if you're a female student and looking for a beautiful place to stay here in Somersrand. So as you approach inside the door, you're approached by these two doors as your entrance. And then immediately as you enter, you are welcomed by the first door. We cannot open that since it is currently being occupied. So we'll be showing you the second room, in which this is a 2 sharing. As you enter, you can see how big this place is from where I'm standing, right? It is so big for 2 people that are sharing this single space. So other people might prepare this as a 3 sharing, but this is a 2 sharing. It's a beautiful big space with your bedding right here. It's a single bed with your study lamps, and this is a smart technology. It's a home-equipped study lamp, in which on a touch of a button, based on how you want to increase your lighting, just press here. It's not currently showing. Okay, based on how you want to prepare this is your study area, the study lamp, and this is your wardrobe for your clothes, and this completes this first room, right? This is the first room, and as you exit the room, you are now approached by the lounge area. Look at how beautiful this lounge area is. There's so much space that is involved here. You have your fireplace right here to keep you warm during winter nights, and here you can see how beautiful this place is. It's not for a student accommodation. This place is up to standard. This is an open area setting. It's an open area setting, and as you can see, this is the lounge area, right? The sitting area right here, and you're also here. You can see how big this open space is with this open planning space. Right now, this is the kitchen that you are confronted by. So here you have your 2 grillers here. Then you have another griller that side with a 2 plate. Then you have a micro oven right there. You have a fridge right there. And then on this door, this is the laundry area. Just after you exit the kitchen, this is the laundry area. But we will be showing you the laundry later on. And then here we are approached by this beautiful top with a 4 plate that is currently here. And then we have another micro oven here, and then another fridge, another fridge right here. Then there's a massive storage for foods, pots, and as you can see, there's 6 rooms, each with a double sharing. So hence this beautiful huge space area and storage area for either pots or whatever it is that might be put, that you ladies would like to put here. So it's a huge storage area as you can see right here. And every space right here on this lower deck, it's a storage area. Then this would also be for your glasses and cups for presentation, hence it is in a glass form to show that appearance, show that aesthetic of the place. This place is already looking at its best level for student accommodation. I have to say this is one of the most luxurious spaces that we could find here at Summersworth, right? Then as we exit the lounge area, they are approached by another double room. Since there are 6 rooms, as we have said earlier, they are approached by another double room. This is a little bit intimate. This is a little bit intimate compared to the first room that we showed you, but as you can see, it is so comfortable. The way it is so presented, the way it's so intimate, it's so home. It's so comfortable. It's so beautiful, man. And throughout the entire house, you also have these smart. This one is flat. So they're chargeable study lamps. As you can see, they're very smart, adjustable study lamps, and they can be turned on and off, and they're also chargeable, right? And then on this side, as you can see, this is another huge storage area right here. It's a huge storage area for your clothes, you and your roommate. And also we have another one right there. Should it be the case that this storage area is full, you have another one right here to fill it with your clothes, since it's a ladies only it's a ladies only apartment. Ladies love clothes, they love shoes, they love presenting, right? Being presentable, right? So as you exit this room, immediately as you exit this room, on your left side, that's where you find your bathroom, right? You have the toilets right here with the privacy door. And then on this far right, you have another toilet with a tub right there. Then you have a shower right here. So this space is quite huge. It's quite big for because you have a bathtub here, you have a shower, so you can choose whether you want to take a bath, have a bubble bath, or you want to have a shower right here in this space rather. Sorry. So as you exit, on your left side, there's also a huge storage area right here, as you can see. And then immediately on this side, on the left side, this now sets as a 4. This is a 4 sharing. It's a 4 sharing space. As you can see here, there are two beds for 2 people, obviously, right? There are 2 beds for 2 people to share this space. And as you can see, it's also intimate and so also welcoming, with the same outlook, with the smart study lamps and this huge storage here. Obviously there are 2 students that are staying here. And then as you enter on another room, because it has actually a door for privacy reasons, as you can see right here, right? It has another door for privacy issues. And then you also have a 2 sharing, which also the same outlook, the same presentation, with the same intimacy to provide for these 2 students that will be sharing this space. So it's a very, very beautiful space. You can book based on the room that you actually like, right? So as you exit this room, on your left hand side, this is a double sharing room only, right? As you enter, on your right hand side, you are introduced to the bathroom. Now this bathroom, the difference between this one and that one is that this one only has a bathtub. Oh, I didn't see that. It also has a shower. So it has a bathtub, then it has a shower, and it's a double sharing with a shower here and a bathtub. So here you have that option as a student to choose whether you want to use a shower or you want to use a bathtub. I mean, it's a females only, so if you want to take a bubble bath enjoy the lightings, the aesthetic. You can choose which one you feel like that day. So as you can see, this space is so huge. If you can observe from where I'm standing right now. Look at how huge this room is. For only 2 students, this is how huge this space is. For only 2 students. And right here we have the view to the pool, that side to the pool on the other side that we'll be showing you shortly. This is how huge this space is for 2 sharing, with the same design here, with the same study lamp, smart study lamp, with the same study table and the same outlook on totally, right? Then as you approach right here, you have 2 storage areas for 2 students, 1 each. You can see how huge this space is. For clothes, for shoes, it has 2 huge areas with the same outlook with this other side, right? That's how huge the space is for your clothes, for your shoes as ladies. Because this one, as you can see, this might be like for clothes right here. Then you can have your you can have your bags right there, be put that side. Then if this space is full already, you can also have this one. As you can see, there are layers. As you can see, there are layers for your shoes or anything you might want to put. Then as you open this one, for exterior, for maybe for your jackets or something like that. Then that side, that's where you'll be putting your bedding. Maybe it's like blankets here. Right there you can put your blankets. Should it be like your summer evenings or your spring evenings, since they're very hot, you'll be sleeping with your sheets right there. Then you can have your blankets right there at the top. So this is how huge this space is as a double sharing room. So if you fell in love already with this place, because I'm in love with this space, we haven't even finished, we haven't even gotten the better yet of this place. So with this room, it has access to the pool with the sliding door right here. And as you can exit this place, you can see how this space is so peaceful. There are very few neighbors outside, so the space brings on that Zenic feel. Since this is the Zen RSA, man, of course we have to show you the space that also has the Zenic feel in it, right? It's so peaceful. It's a beautiful huge area here. Then with the pool being cleaned, you'll sit here with your ladies, have a drink or 2, or even just relax, cocktails. We just relax, man. For nights, you just sit here, see how huge the space is. You can even have your very soft music. You can have your soft music right here. Just chill at the night with your lightings on, because right now, as you can tell, it's midday, hence the lighting, right? But should you want to, there's another access to the laundry area. We're giving you another access to the laundry area, as you can open from here. Then this will be your laundry area / kitchen, right? So laundry area here. So sorry for how it is, but it is a laundry area, hence it looks the way it looks, right? So you can wash your clothes here. So there are two accesses to this laundry area. The first access that we showed you through the kitchen, or the access that you just given to this laundry area. So there are 2 entry points for the space. So this is how the space has been, right? I hope you really like this space. If you really did like this space, the contact details are listed below, and you can contact the owners or the managers on this contact details and book your space now. Make sure you book as early as possible. The earliest bird catches the biggest room, and in this case, the earliest bird catches the biggest room at the biggest place. I hope you really like this place, man. This has been another This has been an honor presenting this to you and giving this content to you. And if you really love this content, then tell us what we can improve and what we can also add to improve your audience, to improve your attention to this channel and get you to actually share this with your friends and family. And please suggest this to your friends, to your family, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share again. And thank you so much for enjoying this journey with us. Cheers.